You can now communicate with your clients via SMS in TaxDome. Let's explore how this new feature works and the benefits it will bring to your firm. With the SMS integration, you now have three ways of communicating with your clients through TaxDome: email, secure chat, and text message. Once your integration is set up, you can leverage two-way SMS communication in TaxDome. You send and receive SMS messages directly in your TaxDome portal, but your clients send and receive messages from their phones. You can send text messages to contacts either individually or you can do it in bulk. To choose which contacts to send bulk messages to, simply filter your client list by tag, team, job, date, or anything else you want. You can use templates to speed up message creation as well, and shortcodes to add a personal touch. SMS messaging is a great way to reach your clients fast. 98% of SMS messages are open and read within 3 minutes of sending it. Alongside secure chats and synced emails, you now have a complete ecosystem for client communication. We are excited for you to try this new feature. Thank you very much for your time. Stay tuned for further updates.